A giraffe is 2'1". I, however, am 6'3". I am the tallest dog this side of Foggy Bottom.
Hi everyone and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today we're with the wonderful Hacker.
Hello, Girl Talk World. It's a pleasure to have you on my YouTube thing or whatever. Thanks for letting me be in your magazine, online, across the socials. Hashtag blessed. Hashtag living the dream, baby.
And he's going to be joining us today for the Lion Game. So Hacker, this might be...
No, I'm not. I'm not.
You are. Don't...
I'm not.
Started yet.
I've already started lying.
Not yet. I'll tell you when.
Are you lying now? Are you? I don't believe you now.
No, I'm not lying. You're going to be lying in a minute, but I'll tell you when, okay?
Promise.
Promise.
Right. Pink, I've not got those, but you get the gist.
So today, this might be a bit of a different interview than what you've had before. We didn't want any truthful answers. We just want barefaced lies. Or don't.
I can lie. I'm a dirty wretch.
So we're going to get started. A bit.
Is this now?
The more.
Are you lying now?
Not yet. No, I will tell.
Are you lying?
We'll sound a klaxon or something when I'm going to start. So.
Are you lying or not?
No. Are you a good liar? Before you need to lie, this is the only truthful question I want. Are you a good liar?
No.
What makes you such a good liar?
Practice.
What's the biggest lie you've ever told?
Is it still the game now or not?
This is just actual questions that I'm intrigued in. What's the biggest lie that Hacker has ever told, truthfully?
Well, when I had my audition for CBBC, I told them that I had experience and I wouldn't mess up. And as we've proved, that is not true.
You've got plenty of experience now.
Yeah, and I'm still rubbish.
Right, we're going to start the game. So
Promise? I don't believe you.
Promise.
Mickey, promise.
Promise. So,
Right.
Who is the most famous person you have ever met?
Buzz Lightyear, my favourite astronaut. I met him once, and I met him in the Asda, and he was at the self-service checkout, and I said, "Come on, Buzz Lightyear, surely you can afford to go to the proper till." He went, "Nil, I will go and do my own checkout, and I'm not too proud, so I don't even care. Who are you? Don't speak to me. I won't."
Oh, he didn't sound very nice. I thought, he's a bit of like a hero.
No, he's nasty. If you see him in Asda or any other major supermarket, blank him because he won't thank you for it. He's nasty.
How tall is a giraffe?
A giraffe is 2'1". I, however, am 6'3". I am the tallest dog this side of Foggy Bottom.
Have you been next to a giraffe to compare then, or?
Well, no, but I have stood nearer to the camera while they've been right in the background. So on the photograph, it looks like I'm taller. And a photograph does not lie.
True. So
This is a true fact. I'll tell you an actual fact now. The giraffe is the only animal born with its horns already on.
Is this a true fact, or are we in the Lion Game? So I'm not sure. I don't know whether to
I've
believe.
jumped out of the game to give you a true fact. That is an actual fact, that. So if you ever go to a quiz and that's the question, that's the truth.
So it's born with a horn.
It's born with its little horns already on. All the other animals with horns are born without them, and they grow.
Right.
The giraffe, they are already there.
I feel like you'd be very good on the next David Attenborough documentary as he's approached.
I wouldn't. That is the only thing I know. I know nothing else about anything else on the earth.
Oh, that was very handy. I'm glad you included that fun fact for us today.
That's what I do. Now back to the Lion Game.
What is the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you?
I once was walking through the park and a badger jumped out of the bushes and tripped me up, and I landed on a local otter in front of the national press.
Is there pictures of this out there then?
I have had them all removed from the internet. I spoke to the boss of the internet, that bloke. Do you remember him? The bloke, Mark Zuckerberg. I spoke to him. He's the boss of the internet. And he said, "Take all those pictures of me on the badger down." And he said, "I will, little hacker. Don't worry, can you lend me a £5?" "No, I can't lend you a £5, Mark Zuckerberg. You've got loads of cash." "I know I have, but it's on in the back. I don't carry cash." "Neither do I have no pockets." Well, you must have a 5. I want an ice cream. Oh, go away.
But he'd just taken all those pictures down for you.
I know, but it's too late now because he's already deleted them. Then he's deleted his deleted folder, which means he cannot retrieve them. So there.
What is 5 times 6?
It's a number.
Yes, that is true.
It's a word.
What word is it?
Gibbon.
Gibbon?
And that's a gibbon.
Oh, gibbon. I thought you meant like monkey, like gibbon.
I did. Hey, do you know something? I'm going to stop listening to CDs and only listen to records from now on, and that's vinyl.
Next question. What is...
Yeah.
Where's the Statue of Liberty?
It's in Blackpool.
Have you been up it?
Of course I have, yeah. It's right next to the Blackpool Tower. If you go up to the top of the tower, and there's a little swing bridge across the top, so you go across the swing bridge and you climb into the Statue of Liberty's eye hole, and then you climb back down her gusset, all the way down, and then out of her ankle, and then you can go back up Blackpool Tower and do it all over again. It's a lovely little day out, that. It takes about 2.5 hours round trip. I recommend it.
Sounds good. I mean, if you need to go to Blackpool, anyone, Statue of Liberty.
Well, I've got one of those wristbands so we can both go for half price if you want.
That sounds amazing.
I'll pick you up. I'll go and pick you up now in my massive big Porsche. That's also a lie.
See, how long are you going to be? So I am in Norfolk right now, so...
20 minutes, very fast car.
Oh, wow, but you're in Wigan.
It's a very long car. If you get in the back, I'll be in Blackpool before you are.
What is your first memory?
Tomorrow. I can't remember today.
You
can't remember yesterday.
From today?
I can't remember today. The only thing I've done today is this stupid interview thing for a magazine that no one reads. But what am I going to do tomorrow? I've forgotten now. I've no memories at all. I've got no mind in there. I've got a phone for a brain.
The Girl Talk team are going to watch this and be very heartbroken by that comment.
It was a lie. Everyone reads it and everyone watches it. And I'm a big fan of Girl Talk. In fact, I guest edited it once.
Yeah, I've heard all about that. I think that was before my time at the magazine, actually.
You see, and I'll still be here when you've gone, because that's how it works. I'm always there before and after everybody else.
So do you read Girl Talk regularly then when it comes out?
I read it irregularly.
Oh, so how often are we talking?
I read every other page.
What's your favourite page?
The back.
Why is that your favourite?
Because it's the end of it, and I don't have to read it again till the next month.
This is boo. I'm very sad. We are Girl Talk.
But I love Girl Talk. I'm only joking. It's my lying game.
You're so
I've got a poker face. Look at my fantastic face.
These lies are really convincing, so you better be careful when you're telling fibs because people are going to believe it.
I'm very good. I often lie on the telly. You know, I sometimes go on and say, I love Tracy Beaker. I've never even watched it.
You've never watched Tracy Beaker?
No.
Is this a lie? I love Tracy Beaker. Danny Harm has been on here a couple of times, and I told her that I used to write letters to the CBBC for Danny because I thought that she lived there when I was.
I know, and I used to throw them away before she read them. Ha!
This is why she said she never got them.
Yes, they're in my litter box.
Oh. Right, the last question we've got is what is the last thing you do before you go to bed?
I get up.
You get up and do what?
Yeah, I have a very long night, I do. I get up, nip downstairs, go back to bed.
Oh, well, that doesn't seem very efficient.
It isn't. I'm not a fish.
Well, Hacker, I think you've done extremely well. That I was very confused sometimes because you threw those fun facts in there. I was getting, and the jokes, I was getting confused as well. So I think you're
It's
live.
a diversionary tactic, and for future people playing this game, I advise you to do it. The diversionary tactic never fails.
I think you're extremely good. Even after those bomb Girl Talk comments, I'm still going to say you're the best person so far that's played the line game.
I'm the best liar in showbiz, cocker. Oh yeah. And I was really convincing because I love Girl Talk, really. So don't tell the bosses that I don't, because I do. Well,
okay, I'll pass that comment on instead. But they will be watching this video, so they'll see it all.
Hello, Girl Talk bosses. Only show them the edit.
Okay, I'll promise.
Pinky promise.
That's a bit-
Hashtag blessed.
Well, Hacker, thanks for joining us today and playing the line game. I think you've been absolutely tremendous at it. So, well done.
Thanks, Carly. Thank you for inviting me onto your YouTube thing. I've
Thanks.
loved being in Girl Talk online.
Thanks.
Next time you want me to be in the magazine, give me a shout. I'm available most of the time.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone who's watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.